Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to discuss on what are float data type, double data type and the difference between single and double precision value, what are its size, ranges and the difference between float and double data types. Float is a fundamental data type and float is a data type which is used to represent the floating point numbers. It is used to hold the precise numbers such as 0.45 and 0.456 etc. Let us understand it with an example. In the example you can notice that a variable it is assigned with 10.565 value. But when you are printing it, you will be getting 10 as the output. This is because integer can store only positive, negative and zeros. It cannot print any floating numbers. So the 0.565 it is truncated in case of int data type here. So this can be avoided by using float data type. Then if you are printing with the help of a float format specifier, then you will be getting the value as 10.565000, where you can see is 0.565 it is printed and extra 3 position also it is printed. That is because in float data type it can hold the position up to 6 positions. If we are assigning 5, 6, 5, 223, then also it will be printing that value here. It can hold up to 6 positions. Now, floating point number can be represented in two ways. One is single precision and the other one is double precision. Single precision, it is nothing but a format proposed by IEEE for representation of floating point numbers. It occupies 32 bits in a computer memory, where you can see as 1 bit it will be taking for sign bit and 8 bit is for exponent and mantissa part is 23 bits. Whereas double precision, the main difference is here it occupies 64 bit in computer memory, where it will hold 1 bit for sign bit, 11 bit for exponent and 52 bit for mantissa. For example, here minus 3 into 10 to the power plus 9. Here negative sign, it is nothing but 1 bit it will be taking for that negative sign, and 3 is nothing but mantissa part, and exponent is nothing but plus 9. This is an example how you can easily understand about sign bit, exponent and mantissa. And float data type is represented in a single precision format. Now we will discuss on what are double data type. It is similar to float data type. It is a fundamental data type and it is also used to represent the floating point numbers, but it can store 15 decimal digit of precision, whereas float can store only 6 position, but in case of double it can hold up to 15 position it can be holded. Whereas double data type is represented in double precision format. Now if you want to see the position, in float it can hold up to 6 position, double it can hold up to 15 positions and a long double it can hold to up to 18 positions. Now if we talk about what are its size means, float can store 4 bytes of data and double can store up to 8 bytes of data and long double can hold up to 12 bytes of data. Range is nothing but the maximum and minimum value that a variable can be hold. You can refer what are the ranges as shown here. you guys want more details about float and double data type, then comment in the comment section below. Then I will discuss more details about float and double data types. Okay guys, this is it for now. In the upcoming classes, we will discuss much more data types what I have discussed in the previous.